Yes, so my country people, I throw away salute. Chelsea 0 and Nottingham Forest 1. And we get Oga Hope, we be like, say, Ogbonge Chelsea fan, Ogbonge football fan, Ogbonge person. May come tell us about how we see this game. Oga Hope, now how you see your team performance today? Because before this game, many people they expect at least Chelsea go win Nottingham Forest, but they don't shock everybody. What do you think say go wrong for Chelsea today, Oga Hope?
But if you dey talk about shock, that one, it's like saying a big grammar for me. Because as it be, everything is possible in a game of 90 minutes.
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen.
Anybody can shop out.
For Premiership, now the only place where you could say, go see say small team, go lift up big team, knock them for grand. You know, go be surprised. But for this kind of thing, they play for Bundesliga, maybe La Liga, and all that sort of thing. You understand that kind of a thing? You go say a surprise. But for Premiership, no. In the very first place, when we start the match, I look and say, with the method and the formation where the coach play, you know, enter. I go play 3-4-2-1 or something of that nature. I know. That is as if maybe for a small team like that, now they go play defense. But the formation today, you know, will go well with me. And if we continue like this, no. We are going nowhere this season. We are going nowhere.
So to you now, we see last season, we see Porter ball, we don't see small for Pochettino ball. But you dey confident say this season go better past last season.
They get any difference between last season and this season with what they happen now? Small team where you go catch, where you go beat, you go lose. Where you go win, you go draw. The one where you not supposed to draw, you go lose. So I don't see any difference between last season and this season. Unless they go want prove me wrong after the international break. Because as it stands now, maybe the coach no talk say that because of some of the players will get injury. That waiting make in the play the formation when he's supposed to play. And when we say that waiting work out for them for preseason. I never see that pattern as league don't start. Now look match, the first match we will play for the season against Liverpool. Everybody see Chelsea performance. We say okay, Chelsea is back on track. But after that particular match, they come like say we'll go bed, go sleep again. No gingering. Nothing is happening. From the touchline for the coach, I never see him get up shot for players. Why you they play ball for back? Why you don't want push for attack? None of these things they within the coach memory. And the players themselves, when they play sluggishly, like say nothing there at stake. My brother, I don't understand. With the question when you ask, no difference between what we they play now and what we play for last season.
So, but Oga Hope, I asked you about 2 weeks ago, say Chelsea strike, whether they need to bring in 1 or 2 players. But you talk say, you and Oga Hope say, now the people when Chelsea fans we talk say, Chelsea no need more attackers. But we see for today's game, we see say Chelsea get chances. Don't say chances no day, but Chelsea fail to take any of those chances. Now why they lose the game? And football on a game of chances. How you they see Chelsea striking department this season?
Well, Chelsea striking department. If we dey talk about striking department, now who be the person waiting for that striking force? Now be Jackson. Now with this kind of game, an attacker will be top 9. They fall deep, like saying in a defensive midfielder or an attacking midfielder. They can't collect ball. They move, go front again. By the time when they be say he go give who he go give for him to space out to get position, that strong, that zeal, that attacking force, it don't demoralize the spirit. Because after hustling from the back, now they go attack, create that chances to position himself again. But guy, this leg, is weak. I see na job like saying fatigue na hold am. See 1 or 2 or 3 chances when he get. See the way he just take it like say he don't tell. No. From the attacking force, waiting Sterling play this today. Not be waiting Sterling play for the past 2 matches where we'll get win and draw. It can't come like say window don't close. Everybody now don't lose gas. Say they're not gonna send me again. If they go on send me say by January. For that reason, everybody want misbehave. That's not what happened today. See Gallagher, see Sterling. then you as a coach, you're quiet. You carry Madueke, you carry Emerson, you keep for bench. See the kind of time where you bring them. 80 minutes. How many minutes to go? 10 minutes to go. What do you expect from those attacking force players where you bring? See the passes where that boy, see the killer passes. But Nottingham Forest don't fall full to defend. And that, it will take Chelsea enough strength to break in that defensive wall for that particular place. And with the chances will come out, yeah, they know if you take those chances. And as a game of football, you know, say the only chance when you get, if you convert them, you don't kill your opposition. And the only that particular mistake where they make for that midfield, that guy moved the ball. What happen? That be the goal. And that's why they take defend them. They encourage them when we take lose the match. We don't lose 3 points to a struggling team, or let me say to ambition team when we say no one go back to championship. Now we will lose to. Not be to a big top 4 or top 6 or top 7, as we may call it. Now Chelsea go lose to. Somebody when they say, I feel say, if now in the days of Chelsea, say Chelsea they play football, not time for us. No be the kind of thing we go say, go feel constant. And the one where they play me back, say now, Stamford Bridge. And then for they lose all these matches when they happen. When they say they happen like this. Before things go come Stamford Bridge, beat you Chelsea, they don't sweat tire. But for this one, it don't like say Chelsea now don't turn to all these small Nottingham Forest, Bristol Cities, or maybe Fulham and so on and so forth. Even with all these things when they mention now, if they come safe, they go still beat Chelsea because if they see their attacking force, if they see their strength. Now they look Chelsea in the same, Chelsea in a weaker opposition now when they see. Welcome from relegation, when they say no get anything at stake. So everybody now won't come. Mount that pressure because mistake must come. And then be the mistake we don't come. They take scores. My brother, there's nothing we can do. 3 points has been taken away from us. So maybe after international break, we'll see next thing to do.
All right, now, Oga Hope, thank you for your time.